what do you mean by performing optimality test in transportation problems? Now optimality test means what? You have to check whether the obtained solution that is optimal or not. Now next is optimal solution. Optimal solution is that feasible solution where objective function reaches its maximum or minimum value. If the objective function is of maximization type, then maximum value will be what? Will be its maximum profit. If the objective function is of minimization type, then the minimum value will be its minimum cost. So what is there in transportation model? Our main objective function is to minimize the total transportation cost. So by performing optimality test on the solution, on the initial solution obtained in the transportation problem, so we will check whether that solution can be improved or not. That is, we'll check whether there is further reduction in cost is possible by performing optimality test. Now next are the methods of performing optimality test. So there are two methods of performing optimality test in transportation problem. The first one is the modified distribution method or MODI method. This is also called UV method. And second is the stepping stone method. So by these two tests we can perform the optimality test on the initial solution obtained in the transportation problem. Now next are the conditions for performing optimality test. Before performing optimality test by any of these methods, there are certain conditions which you have to check. Now the first condition is the number of allocations should be equal to m plus n minus 1, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Now take for example, this is the initial basic feasible solution to this transportation problem, where we have found the number of units which should be transported from P1 to W1 is 1, P1 to W2 is 5, and so on. So these units, these are called the allocations. So number of these allocations should be equal to m plus n minus 1. For example, in this problem, m is what? The number of rows, so that is 3, and n is what? The number of columns, that is 4. Now m plus n minus 1 is what? So that is 6. So you have to check whether there are 6 allocations are there in the initial basic feasible solution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first condition is satisfied. There are m plus n minus 1 allocations in the basic feasible solution. Now the second condition for performing optimality test is these allocations should be in independent positions. Means what? They are not forming any closed loop. Now closed loop means what? If this is a closed loop, at the corner of this loop the allocation should not be there. Means what? No allocation should form a closed loop. Even the closed loop can be like this. So the corners, so at the corners of this loop the allocation should not be there. So you have to check this. अगर corners पे allocations है, means what? They are forming a closed loop, then you cannot perform the optimality test. Now if you look at these allocations, so if now you join any of these allocation, are you getting any closed loop? If you join this, so no closed loop is there because allocation is not there in this particular part. Similarly, if you join this, again the allocation is not there. So this is the meaning of a closed loop. Means at the corners of this loop there should not be any allocation.